we're going to use our plastic trim tool under the edge of your door card. Now, all the way around your door card are these big plastic rivets. So you'll want to work a plastic trim tool in. Don't use a metal tool. Work it in and gently pry until one of those rivets pops loose. And then what I usually do will work my hands and fingers in all the way down underneath the under arc to work my way around to work it off. That'll work the rivets all the way off, and then you'll just ease it off the top. But there's probably a lot of instruction for one place. So let me get this trim off. Let me get you the bolts out. Then I'll show you what it's like to take the rest of the door card off. Okay, so once you have all of your bolts out, go ahead and, like I said, work a plastic trim tool around underneath. If you've never had your door cards off or your car's brand new, these plastic rivets, which I'll show you in a second, can be very, very loud as they pop free. But work your tool in, pry it free, get your fingers up underneath, and just be gentle on your door card. These can flex and break, okay? So pull carefully away so the bottom comes free, as you can see, and then the top comes up and off, just like that. Now, this is the point where I kind of need 3 hands to be able to film and show at the same time, because on the inside of your door card are all going to be your speaker wires and your connection for your door pull and everything else like that. So you want to take it and tip it out. Your door pull is this gray cable. It's called a Bowden cable that you pull out and away, and I'll show it to you in just a second. And then you're going to have any other speaker cables or anything else you have on the inside of your door, and you're going to want to reach in and start unplugging all those. You've got your lights, you've got your speakers. So once you can get all of those unplugged, go ahead and take your door card safely and set it aside.